Hello, I'm Ian with Touratech USA, and these are the engine crash bars for the Honda Africa Twin 1100. That's both the standard version Africa Twin and the Adventure Sports version. These crash bars are made from stainless steel. This tube here is 25 millimeters diameter, that's about 1 inch, and on the upper section here that's a little bit smaller, that's an 18 millimeter diameter tube. The mounting brackets and the bolts, everything are all stainless steel on these guys, so you never have to worry about them rusting or corroding. They come in silver or black finishes for both bikes as well. So why do you want these crash bars on your motorcycle? Well, the Honda with the DCT has a different engine case than the standard transmission bike, and the DCT transmission sticks out quite a bit further on one side, and that makes it more prone to damage when you drop the bike off-road or even on pavement. What is especially common is if you drop it into rocks or an uneven surface that's quite hard, is that you can break the side cases on the engine. You don't want to do that because then you're leaking oil. That really ruins your day. So these bars protect the lower engine cases on both sides of the motorcycle. They're fully compatible with the Touratech upper crash bars and with the Touratech skid plate, so if you want to get them all as a system to protect your motorcycle, great. These bars are really nice, the construction is fantastic, and again, they're available in silver or black. They're the same stainless steel bar either way. They fit on the Africa Twin and Africa Twin Adventure Sports 1100cc versions. If you want to learn more about these products or other parts we make for your bike, please visit our Touratech website. That's touratech-usa.com.